Hi, this is Mary Claude in the Mega Show in Hong Kong. So now we have a series of kitchen for little girls. As you can see, we have many sets: a blender set, coffee time, toaster, breakfast, tea time, mix and bake, and brunch set with the kitchen. So here's all our tool. As you can see here, they are all here. You have noise for all of them. Oh, here we go. Then you can do as well some heating and turning. You can pour the water from here. There's inside a little water bottle with all the food. The blender works too. With here, and it can lift up. You can boil some water. Turn on the blender. Get the toaster. You have the little light to toast. Blend some coffee. The coffee drips here. And you have a little sink. Rice maker. Microwave. It's turning. And you have the iron that makes steam as well. So there's a night kitchen tool set, and they all come per kits as well, and you can have addition set to the main sets. So here's Mary Claude again at the Mega Show in Hong Kong.